Welcome to the in front of me REALME C31, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and after that here on the search bar enter the Ampere. And now I should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that just click here to open, click yes I agree, click close, and on the left down corner click here to OK. And now here we can see the information with our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 28.8 degrees. And also here we get more information about our device battery like the health, capacity level, voltage, and more other info like the Android version, the device model, and more different information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.